We're in a motel room and we're on a treasure hunt. Hi Cindy. I'm making a video.
Hi video.
I'm gonna set it here and dance. No, I can't dance. Balloons. Underwear. Mirror. Ooh. It's really dark for that thing. This is the top. Wow. I'm amazed.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Gabby.
Hello?
Oh, someone's on the phone. Who's Gabby talking to? We're gonna find out.
Hey, Dad.
It's Daddy.
Yeah, got a large pizza, half.
What are you laughing at?
And senior gift. And it's gonna be like $17.
Whoa. That was nice. What is this?
Okay. Okay. I had to call the Port Orange one. I called it the beach one, and they're like,
My cell phone's going off.
And I asked them to, but whatever.
Hi. They called me back. Oh, what? Someone just hung up on me, but he said,
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Love you, bye.
I forgot this was a
I'll be here
video.
in like 5 minutes, so.
Bob, we're going down there?
Yeah.